Instant gratification, the desire to experience pleasure or fulfillment without delay, can have several negative impacts on mental and physical health, especially in Western societies where quick fixes are readily available. Here are some key points. If you find this information useful, please like, share, and comment. Mental health impacts. Reduce self-control. Constantly seeking immediate rewards can weaken self-control and willpower, making it harder to resist temptations and make thoughtful decisions. Increase stress and anxiety. The expectation of immediate results can lead to stress and anxiety when reality doesn't meet these expectations. This can create a cycle of dissatisfaction and mental strain. Impaired decision-making. Over-reliance on instant gratification can impair decision-making abilities. It can make it difficult to focus on long-term goals and lead to impulsive behaviors. Mental health issues. For individuals with mental health issues, the tendency to seek instant gratification can exacerbate symptoms. For example, those with depression might find it harder to delay gratification, leading to unhealthy coping mechanisms like overeating or substance abuse. Physical health impacts. Unhealthy eating habits. The availability of fast food and sugary snacks can lead to poor dietary choices. Over time, this can result in obesity, diabetes, and other health issues. Sedentary lifestyle. The convenience of digital entertainment and online shopping can contribute to a sedentary lifestyle, which is linked to various health problems, including cardiovascular disease and decreased physical fitness. Addiction. The constant pursuit of quick fixes can lead to addictive behaviors, whether it's through social media, gaming, or substance use. These addictions can have severe physical and mental health consequences. Social and financial impacts. Financial strain. Impulsive spending driven by the desire for instant gratification can lead to financial problems, including debt and poor financial health. Reduced quality of relationships. The focus on immediate rewards can detract from meaningful long-term relationships. For example, constantly checking social media can lower the quality of in-person interactions. Understanding these impacts can help individuals make more conscious choices and prioritize long-term well-being over short-term pleasure. How do you feel about this perspective?